guys, this is me and this is my sister Denise and I am Phoebe and we have slime. It's so nice guys, but this is unsticky. Let's try in our bed. Let's go, come here.
Wait.
Let's go. So this is our bed. Look at guys. If you will put it, this is a slime, okay? This is a slime. When we'll just put it, okay? Look at guys. It's not sticky. Look at, there's no damage here.
So guys, let's try to make a slime challenge. Okay, let's go. Wait, I'm just gonna get my slime and my glue, my detergent, and some cases. So
Guys,
here
the slime just needed our liquid and glue. Look at this now. Wait guys, sorry, I just did that. Let's start it. Wait guys. Here.
So here's our glue, here's our liquid detergent, and here's our cases. So first, you need to put a glue. Put some glue.
Wait guys.
And this. So I'm just gonna. This
Here,
is the
guys.
empty glue.
Here guys, the glue. I'm so sorry. So and we'll put it here now. And here it is.
Okay. So oops, that's enough. That's enough.
Okay guys, and we will mix it together.
Oh wait, we forgot the liquid detergent.
Oh yeah. We just forget liquid detergent. Okay guys, it's done. We just
need to mix it.
Let's talk about making.
Oh my gosh, it's so sticky, guys. Look at my hand.
We need our liquid again.
Our liquid coming.
Done.
So at the back, so that's our slime.
This is our slime, guys.
So at the back, that where the phone stand is our book. Our book containers. This is my book container. So
this is our room, guys. They're so
messy. So
And
that's some
guys,
Barbie. Yeah, there. Okay, where's my pet? So this is a roller skates and that's glue. I hated glue. Riley.
oh, do you see my pet, guys? Hi, guys.
So
guys,
that's my parents' room. That's a bag.
hi, guys. This is
So
the
find the
slimes.
difference. Where is the new?
And
Comment
then
down
comment down
below.
below. And then, guys, we will mix it together. And guys, it's done. And it's so sticky. I don't like it.
So I'm gonna arrange our bed.
Yeah. And bye, guys.